See what you did there? That was clever.
Yeah?
Yeah. We don't usually do clever things. Now that's cap. It was hilarious. It's
Was it just hella funny?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, you want to hear something crazy?
What's up?
I was digging through some papers early on today. I'm pretty sure I found my dad's address.
That's cap.
Bro. I'm being for real.
Bro, get out of here with that.
I thought it was crazy too. But I think I'm gonna go see him.
You're gonna go see him now? Yeah, alright.
I'm being serious.
I mean, do you at least talk to your mom about it?
Hey, Mom. I know you're at work because you picked up an extra shift, and I know you do a lot for me, and you're working so hard. And I don't thank you enough for that. Remember that time in the 3rd grade when I was at my first karate match, and I started to cry because I wanted to go home? You made a whole ass scene and said, "The strong men don't give up and they don't walk away." It was all tough love. You always gotta be the mom and the dad in every situation. And I wouldn't want it any other way. I just wanted to call and just tell you that I love you. I don't say that enough, but I truly do. Okay, Mom? I love you so much. Alright, I'll see you later. Hey, Mom. I know you're at work because you picked up an extra shift,